fight over there.
This is the wrong spot to fight at.
I'm seeing if maybe they should have stopped a bullet right here. I've been shot at a car show before. Yeah, hi, brother. This is called minding your fucking business. Stand here, mind my own goddamn business, my boy. Yeah, that guy's not letting it go. I just gotta mind my own goddamn business back here. There it goes, there it goes. Up, up, up. No, they ain't gonna do shit. Say he a bitch. Mr.75, my boy. I showed up late. I can't get in. Some great turnout. I'm gonna have to watch your video. I'm gonna have to watch your footage from inside. I got your back though. I got the footage from the outside, my boy. I try to get here Mexican time, bro. Got here too late, my boy. You get the line. You got the line down the street. Got this lot full. Spectators' cars. Good job, man. Good job. Got the line to go in. Kind of waiting for it to go down, but that bad boy ain't going down, my boy. I'm not pocket watching or nothing, but goddamn. Getting it in, my boy. Getting it in. Sheesh. Like you said, you told me yourself, consistency. Consistency is the key, my boy. The tire look flat. Consistency is the key. Mr.75 Caprice. Where's that line at? Oh, it's not too bad now. Alright, let me go lock up my car. Looks like I'm gonna make it in now. Gonna lock up my car, my truck actually. Lock up my truck, maybe find a better parking spot and check y'all out inside. Give me like 10 minutes, be right there. Got the lots full, got the street full. Doing your thing, baby, doing your thing. I got the popo here too. Oh, come on, dog. Can we all just get along? Keeping the peace, keeping the peace. Oh shit, got the ambulance. Ambulance on the way. bueno. Veintes are out. Yeah, I was about to park over here too. But it got blocked in. Somebody was pre-gaming it over there. Oh. Blaze Concepts. Fucked around and found out. Oh, she feisty. She's trying to get some payback. Alright, let me go check it out. Maybe alright. Told you my boy the show's outside. Shit. Goddamn. See my who? Oh shit. You do not want to be back there when that fucking horn blaster hits. Got 5 down there, 6 up there. I'm sure there's fucking more. Look at that drive shaft. Holy shit, look at the angle. The drive shaft right there. That's the fucking drive shaft angle. Oh! It's a 440/80 R30 wheel. 30-inch JTX. Oh, these are floaters too, floating caps. We're walking under that thing. You can walk under that shit. Crazy. Craziness. Look at that compared to the tow truck. Big as fuck. I don't even think I could tow it if I wanted to. Shit. Oh wait, he got more horns up here? Man, look at that fucking front diff. What the fuck?